Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit on your Omron digital thermometer. First, locate the power button on your device. This button often doubles as the unit selector. We'll walk through the exact steps to ensure your thermometer displays temperatures in Fahrenheit, making it easier to read and understand your measurements. It's a quick process that takes just a few seconds to complete. To begin, make sure your Omron digital thermometer is completely turned off. This is a crucial first step for the unit conversion. Next, press and hold the power button. You'll typically need to hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. Keep an eye on the display. You should see the unit switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Once it displays Fahrenheit, simply release the button and your setting will be saved. After performing the conversion, it's a good idea to confirm that your thermometer is now displaying in Fahrenheit. Turn the device on and take a quick test reading. The temperature value should now be followed by an F symbol, indicating Fahrenheit. If it still shows Celsius, don't worry, simply repeat the steps from the previous slide. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get the timing just right. If you encounter any issues, always refer to your Omron thermometer's specific user manual. Different models might have slight variations in the button-holding duration. Also, ensure your batteries are fresh. Low power can sometimes affect settings. For more great content and deals, check the description below this video. You'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, along with other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.